Hello students, welcome to Trimani Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today our topic derivative using first principle. We solve this question, f of x is equal to x cos x. Formula you know, f dash x limit h approaches to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is called first principle. Limit h approaches to 0, put x in this function, replace x by x plus h. X plus h cos of x plus h minus x cos x divided by h. Clear? Now limit h approaches to 0, cos plus h, x plus h multiply by x, then cos x plus h multiply by h. X cos x plus h plus h cos of x plus h minus x cos x divided by h. Clear? Now from the first and the last term you can take common. Limit h approaches to 0, you can take common x, that is cos x plus h minus cos x plus h cos x plus h divided by h. Now apply property here, cos x minus cos y. Apply this property. You know very well, cos x minus cos y, that is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Apply this property in this question. Limit h approaches to 0. When you apply this property, that is minus 2 sin x plus h plus x divided by 2. So you can write x plus h by 2 into sin x plus h minus x. X to x cancel, it means h by 2 whole divided by h. Now h cos x plus h divided by h, this h to h cancel. You know very well, sin divide by 2 and multiply by 2, because you know that the property h approaches to 0, sin h by h is equal to 1. Use this result here, sin h by 2 divided by h by 2, that is 1, 2 to 2 cancel. Therefore you can apply direct limit x sin x, when you put h 0, then it becomes 0, x plus 0, 0 x, plus when you put h is equal to 0 here, then cos x. So this is the derivative of the given function using first principle. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Next. Second question. f of x is equal to e to the power x. You know very well that derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x, but we can prove this question using first principle method. F dash x, limit h approaches to 0, e to the power x plus h minus e to the power x divided by h. You can take common, e to the power x common, that is e to the power h minus 1 divided by h, e to the power x outside, limit h approaches to 0, e to the power h minus 1 upon h, this is the property of limit, that is equal to 1, e to the power x, this is equal to 1, e to the power x. Answer. Third question, f of x is equal to a to the power x, f dash x, limit h approaches to 0, a to the power x plus h minus a to the power x divided by h, limit h approaches to 0, you can take common a to the power x, then a to the power h minus 1 upon h, limit a to the power x outside, limit h approaches to 0, a to the power h minus 1 upon h. This is the property of limit. This is the property of limit, and this is equal to a to the power x log a. Last question, fourth, f of x is equal to log x. Therefore f dash x, limit h approaches to 0, log x plus h minus log x divided by h, and the property of log, you know, log m minus log n, that is log m by n. So you can write log x plus h divided by x divided by h. Further simplify, limit h approaches to 0, x by x, that is 1 plus h by x divided by h, to multiply and divide by x, and you know that this is equal to 1 according to the property. Therefore 1 by x is the answer. Therefore you can say the derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay.